Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing and understanding the information communication technology. So, what is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It includes technologies that provide access to information through communication, such as computers, internet, broadcasting technologies, and cellular phone. ICT combines information technology and communication technology. This is the components of ICT. Information technology. Facilities for collecting, storing, retrieving, and processing information. Communication technology. Facilities for transmission and reception of information, including telecommunication. This is the uses of ICT. Collecting, storing, and processing data. Transmitting and receiving information. Facilitating communication and collaboration, supporting education, business, healthcare, and government. The benefits of ICT: faster and easier information retrieval, greater accuracy in data processing, cost reduction in processing and storage, efficient storage and handling a large amount of data, enables complex calculation and automation, support remote work and learning. Example of ICT tools: computers and servers, internet and email, mobile phone and smartphone, video conference tools, digital broadcasting. Challenges in ICT: digital divide and unequal access, security and privacy concerns, cost of infrastructure and maintenance, need for training and education. The key technologies in communication: internet, mobile technology, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. The examples of ICT uses used in communication and information sharing. This is the future trends: emerging technologies, augmented reality, and virtual reality. The expected impact on immersive and interactive communication. That's all for today, and thank you.